Welcome to this week's Q&A. We've got a great question from one of our viewers in Melbourne this week, and his question revolves around his current, cash flows and in paying interest for both his home mortgage and his investment property loan. So the question is, look, I've tried everything to reduce my monthly payments and I've run out of options. I don't know what else to do. Something that we seem to be hearing more about these days as as the high cost of living pressures start to impact people's budgets even further, and interest rates remaining at these currently historically high rates are biting into people's weekly pay packets. So look, one of the things we've found that is probably a very worthwhile option, considering if you've done everything to try and reduce your interest bill or your monthly repayment, more importantly, because that's what's impacting people, is the cash flow side of things, then let's look at something we've done for a lot of clients, and that is looking at re-originating their loans and putting them onto a 30-year repayment basis again from now. So this reader or this viewer typically represents a fairly large segment of the community where they may have had a home loan or investment property loan already in existence for, up to 10 years, let's say. Now, that would typically sort of comprise then a repayment period of a further 20 years to extinguish that loan if it's on principal and interest. And if it's on interest only, generally it will be a loan that's going to kick into P&I in the upcoming future, so repayments will increase even further. So what we can do is, if you take that loan that only has 20 years to run and turn it into a new loan that has 30 years to run, the monthly repayments become far more manageable. They become lower. So that's something that helps people. Now, if you're fortunate to be in certain professions, say the medical profession in Australia, then we can actually do that on a 35-year period, and that again makes that monthly commitment even less. So there are other things that people perhaps don't look at, on the face of things, that they can do to manage those monthly repayments and somehow, get through this before anything untoward happens to their financial situation. Now look, if you found this of interest, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click like. And if you've got any questions in relation to your own mortgage or investment loans or combination of the two, please don't hesitate to reach out, email us or call us, and we'll have somebody contact you, see if we can't help you with your own personal set of circumstances. I'm Andrew Unterweger, and I'll see you at next week's Q&A.